If you're looking for quick and easy fall treats, no cook, no bake, last minute, you gotta hurry, this video's for you. We're about to turn this into this. We're starting with Hershey Kiss Acorns. Since I knew I was making all of these today, I just got the little variety pack that came with these mini Nutter Butter Bites, mini Oreos, and mini Chips Ahoy. We don't need the Chips Ahoy cookies today, but we needed Nutter Butters and Oreos, so I just got that little variety pack. So all we're gonna do with this one is melt. We don't need this whole bag, we just need a little bit. Yeah, you can help. We just need a little bit of these chocolate candy melts. So I'm gonna melt a few of these in the microwave real quick. And we need some toothpicks. You wanna grab some toothpicks, Sissy? Here, let me lay out a piece of parchment paper and you can open them up and put them on the parchment paper, okay? I don't know if you like Hershey Kisses, do you?
I do.
You do?
Yeah, let me show you. I'm gonna eat this one.
Okay. He does like them, Sissy. Can you believe that? Y'all open them up and lay them out right there. And we also need these mini Nutter Butters opened up and we need them to be broken in half.
Okay.
Are those sticking to that with the peanut butter, Sissy? I think, you know what? We'll just stick them to the peanut butter like that instead of having to put chocolate on the cookie. They're just sticking really good to the peanut butter. Uh-oh, let's get your little paper off. There you go. But we still need the chocolate melts for the top because we're gonna put this on like the top of the acorn.
Ty also loves Hershey Kisses.
Does he? Okay, here's the melted chocolate. We don't need it to be super, super melty. That's perfect right there.
Yeah, that's perfect. I just want to eat the chocolate.
So we're just putting some of the melted chocolate on the bottom of the mini chocolate chips. And then we put it right on top of the cookie. Those are cute. The next one, easiest one of all, pumpkin oranges. So all we're gonna do is peel these clementines. I'm just gonna do about 6 of these. You can use any kind of oranges you wanna use. These just, you know, are really easy to peel because you want them to stay in the shape because they look like a little pumpkin. Not us listening to Christmas music while we're making fall treats. They need to have more fall music, right, Cece?
Yeah.
I mean, we have fall jazz, but if you want words, you gotta go with Christmas. We'll peel them and then we're gonna chop the celery up and put a little piece of celery in the middle for the stem. Next, caramel apple nachos. First, we slice the apples. Now, caramel sauce. We're just gonna drizzle this all over the top of the apples. And then you put whatever toppings you wanna put, and you have caramel apple nachos. We're gonna go through these mini M&Ms and try to just get the yellow, orange, and brown ones. Red would work too. And we'll put some fancy sprinkles on here. There we go, caramel apple nachos. Up next, Harvest Trail Mix. We're starting with this bag of Chex Mix Muddy Buddies, peanut butter and chocolate. 1 box of Reese's Pieces. About a cup of mini marshmallows.
I love this trail mix, it's so good.
And we have some pumpkin spice pretzels. We're gonna throw a few of those in there. Let's break them up, Sissy.
Yeah.
We'll just have some little broken pieces of pumpkin spice pretzels in there. We're gonna put a few pecans in here. I was looking for peanuts, but Sissy says she likes pecans better, so we're gonna put a few pecans in there. You can put whatever you wanna put in trail mix or snack mix, whatever you wanna call it. Just put whatever you wanna put. I think we need more Reese's Pieces. We need a little more color going on. Now we're gonna put it into these jars. Put your top on. Boom. Harvest Trail Mix. I got these wood looking tops from Walmart. They fit the regular mouth mason jars. Number 5 is pumpkin patch dirt cups, but we couldn't find any of the little pumpkins. You know, they're kind of like candy corn, but they're pumpkins. We couldn't find any of those. We do have candy corn, so instead of pumpkin patch dirt cups. Ours are gonna be corn maze dirt cups, because corn, candy corn. First thing we're gonna do, totally optional, you can skip this part and just do the corn maze dirt cups, but I thought this looked fun. We're gonna make a little sign that says corn maze with like a little arrow or something pointing toward wherever. If you do have the pumpkins, you can do pumpkin patch or pumpkins $1 each or something like that, you know. I'm gonna plug this up down here. That's what this hole is in our countertop, y'all. Right here, if you've ever wondered, there's a plug-in down in there, so this is to put your cords through so you can plug them up. While Cece makes another sign or two, I'm gonna fill up the dirt cups with chocolate pudding. I went ahead and made it earlier. All you need is instant chocolate pudding. Looks like out of a family size, you can get 4 good sized dirt cups. So we'll just go with that. Okay, we're coming over here to the mini food chopper to crush up the Oreos. Put the Oreos on top. Now we'll take our candy corn. We'll just stick a few in here like this. Not as cute as the pumpkins, but it's still cute. And we'll put our little corn maze sign in there. And we'll put a few of our fancy sprinkles in here too. I think that'll help it a little bit. We do have some pumpkins in there, so we'll make sure we put a little pumpkin on each one. Yeah. For the last one, Oreo pumpkin balls. We need 18 of these golden Oreos crushed up. I don't think I'll be able to do all 18 at one time, but we'll do half and half. I might be able to do all 18. Yeah, I think, well, you know what? I forgot to put the blade in. Not gonna do anything without the blade. I was washing it from the regular Oreos. Okay, now we'll just do 9 and 9, because I know with the blade in there, I'm not gonna be able to fit all those. We're gonna dump these right into this bowl. I just have 4 ounces of softened cream cheese in here. Now I'll crush up the rest of them. Okay, so we're just gonna mix these crushed up cookies with the softened cream cheese. And then we're going to form little balls using our cookie scoop and put them on a pan with some parchment paper and stick them in the freezer for 15 minutes. When they've been almost in there for 15 minutes, we're going to melt some orange melting wafers and some green. I forgot to say I'm just making half of this recipe since I'm making all these at one time, but I'll have the full recipe down below for y'all, so it'll make double of what I'm making here. There we go. Which one is your favorite? My favorite, the way it looks, is the Harvest Trail Mix. I just think it's really pretty with all the colors. Sissy said her favorite is the Dirt Cups. Which one's your favorite, Manny? We just threw some Snickers bars around. Dirt Cup is your favorite too? As far as eating them, my favorite is the caramel apple nachos.
It's very cold.
Yeah, they're cold.
Tastes kind of pumpkin-y.
Pumpkin-y?
Yes, so I did that.